2-3 minutes और. So children, now you have read it. We will just once again try to understand the poem Wash Day. The poet here says, Mrs. Ocean. Ocean, we have big 7 oceans on the earth. It has got lot of water. So the poet is addressing Ocean as Mrs. Ocean. Mrs. Ocean, when he writes Mrs., that means it is a lady who is married. It is a lady who is married. When it is not married, the lady is not married, what we call her? Miss. So he is saying, why he is saying? Because when he goes for walking on the beaches near the sea, he sees lot of foam around, lot of foam at the beaches where the water is coming and falling back and some forthcoming again. So he is saying as though he is assuming that Mrs. Ocean is washing clothes every day, the whole year through, और वो रोज ही होता है, every day it is happening. So he thinks that Mrs. Ocean washes clothes every day throughout the year, and she uses so much gluing, or she is using gluing substance. What is gluing? Gluing is a substance which makes the fabrics more white, which are yellowish in nature, they become more white. We call it Hindi as Neel. What we call? Neel. That it stains the water blue, and because she uses so much gluing, the whole water of the sea has become blue. I have seen the soap suds floating. I have seen the soap suds floating. He says, the poet says, every day whenever I go, every day it is available. But whenever he goes, he sees the soap suds floating on the beaches. When the waves were rough and high, and it is particularly at that time when the sea is very rough and it has got big high waves. But I never have discovered, but I am not able to find the reason or how, where, what way where she hangs the clothes to dry. Where she hangs the clothes to dry. She is washing every day and gluing the whole water of the sea, ocean. But where does she put the cloth to dry up? Whenever we wash the cloth, it becomes wet and we have to put in the air or in the sun for it to get dried up. So the poet is wondering, she is only washing, and where the cloth are going, where she is putting them for drying, because no cloth is visible to the poet. Okay, so you will repeat it at home, learn it, try to understand it once again, and practice it, reading and understanding the meaning of the lesson. Okay.